Hello guys, this is Mohsin AR from Signbox software, and in this tutorial we will learn how to download and install Java, as well as how to set Java home path in Windows. So before starting download Java, let's first check whether Java is available in this Windows or not. So what we have to do, we have to first tab window button, which is present in the keyboard. After that, type cmd. It will open the command prompt and right click, run as an administrator. Okay, so this will open. Now the command prompt is open, and type the command java hyphen version. Now there is no any Java in our system, so it is saying Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So this means the Java is not present in our system. So now let's come to the browser. Go to google.com, where you can search for Java JDK and type download Java Java 8. So when you search for this keywords, it will give you the two links: Java AC Development Kit 8 and Java AC Runtime Environment. So what we have to do, we need a development kit to create or develop a Java programs. So we need a proper kit for that. So download Java AC Development Kit 8, and in this tutorial onward we will use Java 8 version. So it will take you to the Oracle website, where you can download Java Development Kit. So there are so many JDKs for different platform. So in, in the Windows there are two types of Java JDK, which you can download. One for Windows 86, and that means Windows 32, and one for one for Windows x64, that is Windows 64. Which Windows you have, first you have to check that from your system. How can you check which Windows you have? Go to your start bar, okay, and type in Windows 10 you have to type this PC, okay, and right click, go to properties. Now you will get this panel, okay. So in this panel, okay, so there are two ways to find the system properties. uh, One for go to start bar and type this PC, then right click on this PC icon and go to properties. You will get this window. And the other way is, uh, go to your Windows Explorer, and after that click on this PC, okay, and you can find the properties uh, option above or next to the title bar. Okay, just click on red check mark, then you will find then you will get this panel. Okay, after getting this panel, you have to now you will see the system properties, the processor, installer, memory, system type. Okay, uh, here you can find the system type: 64-bit operating system, x64 best processor. Okay, now you have just know that you have installed Windows 64-bit. Okay, if you have a Windows 32-bit, then you will find here the 32-bit operating system. Okay, uh, so now go to our download page and download Windows 64 sorry, download Java for Windows 64-bit. And now it's downloading JDK 8 JDK 8U and 191. So it's a version number. Okay, let it complete first. Now it's completed. Click on the setup and it will install Java normally. Normally means there is no any tricky functionality or tricky, just by clicking on next button. So here we get the installation panel. If you want to install a Java on another on other partition except C partition, then you have to change the path of the directory. Okay, so it is now showing the C program files, Java JDK. This is the path, okay, where it will install the Java. If you are not satisfied with this path, then change it. If you are satisfied, then click on the next. Okay, it will install the Java and it is installing. Java is installed in your system. Now check whether the Java is installed in that partition or not. So you have to just click on Windows Explorer and go to C drive and program files. Okay, there here you are here you will find the two folder of program files, one for 32-bit and one for 62-bit. Okay, you can also install a 32-bit applications on 64-bit Windows. Okay, so go to program files folder, just because we have downloaded Java for Windows 64-bit. So now you can see here there are two JDKs in my system. Okay, one which was already installed in my system, and the other one which I newly installed in my system. The newly installed in my system is JDK 1.8.0 underscore 191. Okay, so let it confirm from the browser. Here see the version. Okay, we have download 191. So come back to this one. Okay, now you can type the Java hyphen version. Now it's saying Java is not recognized as internal or external command. Why? Just because of current session is open for this command. Let me close this command prompt and open it again. Now type Java hyphen version. Here we go. The version which we have installed in this machine is Java version 1.8.0 underscore 191. Okay, so and okay, now Java is installed in our Windows. Now check whether the Java home path is already set in our system or not. Now when I type the echo percentage Java home percentage, this will show this command will show me the path, Java home path, if there is any path set in my system. But if there is no any path in my system, then it will show the same command. Okay, so that means there is no any Java path in my system. So now go to the properties panel. How we can go there? By clicking on this PC, and after that you will find the properties icon in the properties icon next to the title bar. Click on that. Okay, go to the advanced system setting, click on it. You will find another panel in which you have different tabs. Click on the advanced tab, and the below of this tab you will find the environment variable button. Click on that environment variable button and again it will open the next. Now see, there are two boxes. One box says user variables for my username, and other for system variables. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to set the Java home path. So how can we set Java home path? By clicking on a new tab. By clicking on a new tab in user variable for username box. Okay, when I click on this, variable name is Java underscore home. Okay. It is not necessary to write it in capital. Okay, you can write or lower alphabetic. After that, now it says a variable value. Okay, from where you can find this variable value. The variable value will go to the C drive, program files, and then Java and JDK 1.8.0919. Okay, click on this folder, right click on this path and copy this path, paste that path. Okay, and click OK. Now again click OK. Okay, and click apply. Okay. Okay, so now Java home path is set on our system. Now verify that whether the Java home path is set or not. Echo percentage Java underscore home percentage, and here we go. The path, this is the path. Okay, this is the Java home path which is set in our system. Okay guys, so in this lesson we have download and install the Java